Welcome to another episode of Siyayinqoba, SHAP. Let us hear what our characters have got in store for us today. SHAP.
I can't believe you're getting married in 7 months, man.
That's if Bra Ray doesn't kill me first.
He won't. He's all back and no bite.
Oh, that's very easy for you to say.
Yeah.
He likes you. You're a teacher and I'm just a gardener to him. I'm not good enough for his Kelly.
You provide a vital service to the community and people love your vegetables.
If only Bra Ray would see it that way. So what was so urgent?
I was at a funeral, Nolita's. You remember her, don't you? We all found out we had the virus around about the same time.
Not so loud, your dad might hear you.
He knows my status.
But he doesn't know I have it. And I'd like to keep it that way.
Anyway, sis, for you guys, struggled to get to Nolita on HIV treatment. And now it's too late. Baby, I want you to go back on treatment, please. I don't want the same thing to happen to you.
But I'm not sick.
Then, the wedding is off.
You're not serious, are you?
Does it sound like I'm joking? Restart treatment or we don't get married.
So, Kamva, the prodigal son has returned. Why have you not taken your medication?
I ran out of it, Sis Vyogas.
Listen here, boy. Don't give me that nonsense. You've always known where to get it.
I'm sorry, Sis Vyogas.
If you want me to help you, we must be straight with each other, ne?
I promise, I will.
You better. Right. You are sorted now. You know the drill, but if you have any questions on taking your medication, you know where to find me. Welcome back, Kamva. To start your HIV treatment or for more information, WhatsApp us on 079 25 87 642 or visit our Facebook page at Siyayinqoba. SHAP.